Let's move on to question number 9. Question number 9 is about static electricity. Figure 9.1 shows a positively charged plastic rod, a metal block resting on an insulator, and a wire connected to earth. Question A. On figure 9.1, draw the charge distribution in the metal block. Remember, the positively charged plastic rod will attract negative charges inside the metal block. The metal block has positive and negative charge inside it. So we have to draw negative charges on the top part of the metal block, like that. The positive charges inside metal block will be repelled by the positively charged plastic rod. So the positive charges will be drawn on the bottom part of the metal block, like that. Now remember, the amount of negative charges here must be equal to the amount of the positive charges here. Why? Because the metal block is a neutral object. So, remember, you have to draw the same amount of negative charges and positive charges. Question 9b. The earth wire is held against the metal block as shown in figure 9.2. On figure 9.2, draw the new charge distribution. Guys, remember, the negative charges are attracted by the positively charged plastic rod. Because the wire is connected to the earth, then the wire becomes the media for the flow of electron. Here, the positively charged plastic rod attract the negative charges from the earth. So, the electron will flow from the earth into the metal block through the wire. So now our drawing will become like this. The number of negative charges now is more than the number of positive charges, because the electron flows from the earth into the metal block through the wire. Let's move on to the next question. 9c. The charge rod and the earth wire are removed, and the metal block is left charged. State the order in which the rod and the wire were removed. Explain your answer. Which one must be removed first? Of course, we have to remove the wire first. Why? The charges must be kept in the block. If the rod is removed first, then the wire will allow the charges to flow back to the earth. The extra charges in the metal block is the electron. So the wire will allow the electrons, the extra electrons inside the metal block, to flow back or to go back to earth. So the wire must be removed first. Name discharging process. It is called induction. That's the end of question number 9.